สวัสดีค่ะ Welcome to Asian Kitchen in Berlin. I am Tanya and today we are going to make green curry or แกงเขียวหวาน Green curry is a classical traditional dish in Thailand. When you have the special ceremony, you always have green curry there. Green curry is better to cook with beef or pork or chicken, but not with seafood. Or you can make with tofu. It's also good. We need for sure the green curry paste. Any curry, we need coconut milk, zucchini as the main vegetable, Thai basil and tofu, kaffir lime leaf, chili just for the garnish, and then light soy sauce, a little bit of bouillon, and sugar. The green curry paste, what we need here, the main thing is green chili mixed with the red curry paste, and we mix together with the kaffir lime leaf, blend them together to have a nice fragrance of all the spice and herb. The Thai basil is a special basil that we always use with the curry. If you cannot find it, you can also use a normal basil that you could find here. It's not exactly the same, but it can be used. I will start by cutting the zucchini, getting ready for the curry. Not too small, otherwise it will be too soft to cook and then it's not nice texture. And at the same time, I also take the leaf of the basil, getting ready. And now the kaffir lime. Again, take the middle piece out, and then you can cut into the block into those, so the big piece, not too small, otherwise it will be broken into the curry. I first use the very thick coconut milk, and now I will bake curry. I use 1 spoon, not too much. First we bake until you get a nice smell from the curry paste with the top of the coconut milk. And then you add tofu, mix tofu with the curry, and soak them into the sauce, because tofu is not the same like meat. It needs to absorb the sauce to taste better. I add some first basil into the sauce. And I add zucchini. Green curry in Thai is แกงเขียวหวาน which means green and sweet. So we have the green color and the taste is sweet. Now I will add the kaffir lime leaf that we put it here. A little bit of bouillon, only a little bit, because sometimes the curry paste is already salted. A little bit of light soy sauce to taste. After the vegetable is cooked, I will add more coconut milk. Mix well. You wait a little bit for the zucchini to be cooked, but not too overcooked. And I will add a little bit more of Thai basil at the end. To have a contrast of green and a little bit of red on top. And now we are finished with our green curry. Now we have our lovely green curry. Now we just need a bowl of jasmine rice. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like and share this video and subscribe to Asian Kitchen in Berlin. See you next time. สวัสดีค่ะ